There's lots of reasons that you want to consume lemongrass. Tastes fantastic. It's full of vitamin C, it's got B vitamins, it contains potassium, magnesium and iron. It's really good for your digestive system. It helps you to reduce gas and has other health benefits as well. We eat it in salads, we eat it in curries and in other Thai dishes, but the way I love to consume it most of all is as a cold drink. So in this video we're going to demonstrate, we're going to show you what we do to make the most delicious, sugar-free, refreshing drink that you can imagine. Making the lemongrass drink is so easy. Once you've harvested it, all you need to do is break it apart into its stems and cut off the roots and the dirt and the mess, and take the tops off the plant as well. The thin green leaves are not what you want. You want the nice strong white stems of the plant. Then give it a good wash, give it a good rinse off. If you're cutting it for using in soup, we cut it like this into about 1 centimetre chunks, and if it's for salads you've got to slice it really thin. When it's used in a soup you generally don't eat it, but when it's used in a salad you do eat it, so it's got to be cut pretty finely because lemongrass is tough. When we prepare it for drinking, we'll cut the white stems into roughly 10 centimetre lengths, and then we pound them, we smash them. And doing this releases the oils, releases the flavour, and it makes the boiling process more efficient. So give it a good pounding, especially close to where the root is. You might need to turn it over and smash it on the other side. Then toss it all into a good sized pot and fill it with water. For this amount of lemongrass we put in approximately 5 litres of water, and then boil it. Bring it to the boil and then leave it sitting for about 15 minutes on a slow boil and let it cool. Once it's cool, put it through a strainer to filter out any of the chunks, any of the bits that are in there. Then we pour it from a jug into our ice cube trays and then leave it in the freezer until it's ready to be enjoyed in a nice cold refreshing drink. Oh, it's so good, it's so refreshing. You've got to try it. You've seen that it's so easy to make and it's so healthy, it's so good for us. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that as well. And to see another video about another very special grass that we love to plant here at Suan Sook Homestay, please check out this video next. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.